Hello everyone, today I have a very short video for you. In this video I want to show you how to disassemble Parker Frontier. It's quite simple and you may require this information for some service or restoration of your pen. Let me show you everything. So first of all, of course, you can remove the barrel, and here's the most simplest. What you can do is to remove a nib unit, just to unscrew, and that's it. Of course, your nib unit section should be completely clean, fully cleaned of any ink. Yeah, it should be clean. So this one is very simple to do. So here is the nib unit. And the most interesting is how to disassemble the cap. You may need this information if you have broken the clip, or it's bent, or you have dent and you want to repair it. So let me show you how to disassemble it. So you need something like this, wooden stick. So try to find soft wood, and you need to push here to remove the clip and inner cup. So just take like that, put in the center and push strong enough. 1 second, one more time. Opa. Now you can remove the inner cup and the clip. If your clip is bent, you can fix that. If it's broken, you can change it. If any problem with the inner cup, you can as well fix that. And as well, of course, if you have dents, you can now fix the dents because nothing on your way. As well, you can change this metal piece. It's easy to do. Try to remove it from inside. It's not glued, you just need to remove from its place. It's a bit hard. 1 second. You can as well use tools, for example like that. So just find and just try to push it up. Yep, here it is. This a little piece of metal. So, and if it's damaged, you can fix it or change it. And very simple to put everything back, to reassemble it. Just put this metal back on place, push. Now take your cup. I'm using different tool to reassemble because you need to hold your inner cup. Here's a special hole. Here's a special hole for the clip, this one. So you need to align it with this hole here, like so. A bit. Yeah, looks good. Now you can put your clip inside and push down into the place. Here it is, everything back. Now where's our pen? Here's our pen. Nib section, screw everything back, barrel back to section, and now you can put the cup back on the pen. Looks good, looks great. Thanks for watching.